In this video, we are going to see how we can draw tangents to a given circle under different conditions. Our first question here is, we have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter, or we can say 4 centimeter. And we have to take a point P outside the circle such that OP is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we have to draw two tangents from point P to the circle. Now we will see how we can do it. First of all, we will draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Radius may be of any measurement. I have taken here 4 centimeter. This is the circle of radius 4 centimeter with center O. Now we will take a point outside the circle such that OP is 8 centimeter. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. For this we will take an arc of radius more than 4 centimeter. Here another arc. From point P we will also draw. Now we will join these 2 points, this and this. Let this point be M. Now taking M as center and MP or OM as radius, we will draw another circle intersecting the previous circle at 2 points A and B. This point is A, this point is B. Now we will join these two, AP and BP. This is the first tangent and this is the another tangent. In this way we have seen how we have drawn two tangents PA and PB. Now let us take another question. Suppose in this question we have to draw a circle of radius, let us take again 4 centimeter, and we have to draw two tangents such that angle at the center, that is AOB is equal to 120 degree. The question may be given like this, that we have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and we have to draw two tangents such that angle between these two tangents be 60 degree. Question may be like this also, or AOB is 120 or angle APB is equal to 60 degree. Condition may be given any of these two. Now let us start. Suppose this is given that we have to draw and the angle between them is 60 degree, and we will start like this. First of all, we will draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is a circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is the center O. We will take or draw a radius like this. Let it be A. Now we will draw an angle of 120 degree here. For this we will draw an arc. From this we will cut an arc. Okay. From this point we will cut another arc like this. Now we are going to join this to this point and this. Let us take this point B. Now we have to draw tangents at point A and B, and we know that angle between radius and tangent at the point of contact is 90 degree. So we will draw an angle of 90 degree here. Be careful while drawing. We will cut one arc from here, another arc from here, and like this from here. This angle will be 90 degree at point O, not OA. We have drawn like this. Again, we will draw an angle of 90 degree at point B here. Another arc from here. This. Now we will join these two. Now we have two tangents PB and PA, and the angle will be 60 degree because sum of angles O and P is 180 degree. They are supplementary. Now we are going to see another question in which it is given that the question is we have to draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeter, and we have to draw two circles at point A with radius 4 centimeter, at point B of radius 3 centimeter, and from this point A and B we have to draw tangents to these two circles. Now first of all we will draw a line segment of length 8 centimeter. Here we have drawn. Let it be A and this be B. With A at center, we have to draw a radius of circle of radius 4 centimeter. Here we have drawn a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Now we are going to draw another circle at point B of radius 3 centimeter. This is a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now we have to draw tangent from these 2 points A and B, from this point to this circle and from this point B to this circle. First of all, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this AB. This we have drawn two arcs, and from this point we have drawn two arcs. We will join these 2 points. Now, let it be point M or any other point we can take. Now with this point M, we will take as radius center, and AM as radius. We will draw third circle intersecting these two circles at different points. Let this point be C, this point be D, this be E, and this be F. Now we will join BE. BF. AC and AD. This AC and AD. In this way, we have seen that we have drawn 4 tangents here, AC, and AD, BE and BF condition was given. Now it is given that we have to draw a line segment of 7 centimeter, not 7 centimeter. That question is like this, that we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. From the center of the circle, we have to take 2 points, means we have to extend the diameter such that OP, O is the center, OP is equal to 7 centimeter, OQ is also 7 centimeter. From this point P and Q, we have to draw 2 tangents to the circle. A rough figure is like this. Suppose we have to draw a line segment of 7 centimeter, not 7 centimeter, we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. This is the center of the circle. We have to extend this diameter such that this OP is 7 centimeter. Again, this OQ is 7 centimeter. From these 2 points P and Q, we have to draw tangents to the circle like this, this, this and this. Now we will see how we can do it. First of all, we will draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now this is a circle of radius 3 centimeter. This point O is the center of the circle. We will draw diameter here and we will extend these to both sides. Now we will take this measure 7 centimeter. This we have taken as 7 centimeter, again 7 centimeter. We will extend this to meet this point here. Let it be P and let it be Q. Now we have to draw tangents from these 2 points P and Q to the given circle. First of all, we will draw the perpendicular bisectors of OP and OQ. Let us start from here. We have drawn the, again we will cut another arc from here, this side, and 2 arcs from this point P . Now we will join these two. Again we will join these 2 points. Let it be M and N. Now we will take N as center and ON as radius. We will draw another circle intersecting this circle at 2 points. Let this point be A, this be B. Now again, taking M as center of the circle, we will draw another, and radius will be OM. We are going to draw another circle here. Let this point of intersection be C and this be T. Now we will join PD and PC. These two will be tangents. This is one tangent, PD. This is PC, will be another tangent. From point BQ, we will join this, and from this point BQ and BA are 2 tangents. In this way, we have seen how we will draw tangents under different conditions. We will see more construction in next video.